Hello everyone, this is Jason, and today we're going to visit Thomas, who's a general contractor here in the Bay Area, and he has a 1-ton diesel unit of the landscape body excavator. He also uses a breaker hammer to do some jobs, and we're going to just visit 2 of his job sites. So if you have not done so, you can also find more information on the description of the video, how to get hold of me, and yeah, let's get to it. So then you just put the hammer here. The hammer works good.
This
so
time
far?
I changed something.
Oh, you did?
Because
you put new pins.
well, no, we lost this one
Okay.
thing here, and there was so much play in here.
Right.
So I put this
more
is
washers.
all more
Right,
washers.
right.
So here I just have the washer right now.
Right.
I picked this twice.
Oh, really?
And the third time I could not find it anymore. The
I
top
see.
one here.
Oh,
it
the
fall
one.
out, and then I put real things on. There was the screws on it.
Right.
But see
maybe,
what I found out
right.
today.
Uh-huh.
When you hook them up like this.
Right.
On the thing,
Uh-huh.
you have to go to the front.
Oh, okay.
When you cross them,
yeah, you go
have
backwards.
the back.
Backwards, and
But
it works both ways.
it works both ways.
Okay.
You cannot hook it wrong up. It's just a switch easier.
Right.
But it was for me today a little
backward.
bit of change. This time I had to do like this.
Back.
Before I always had to do with the heel.
Right. And here is just a little pile of concrete that he broke with that little hammer. And from what he was using, and that's basically user feedback, actually works pretty well, because I never really had opportunity or need for using it. I just have it lay around in my yard. And when Thomas bought the excavator, he asked me if he can borrow it. I was like, yeah, sure, why not test it out for me, To me, this Chinese excavator thing is a lot of like, in the computer world, open source, right? Open source coding, like everyone contributes something to it. And with this, it's no difference. All different users have contributed their ideas, whatnot, and make things better. And to me, that's really cool, because we can really promote a better product for this market and just benefit a lot more people. So he is doing some sewer replacement, and this machine is just perfect. He can load it up easy, very little disturbance for the site, and now he's doing the digging right there. School setting, and Thomas is trying to find the sewer lateral. I think it's 6-inch, he believes. But with these things, you always want to see it in order to be sure. And this is perfect, just keeping the job clean, using a little excavator to dig. And
Should be
we
other
change
nipple
out
on it.
these.
Because
these.
I have the one I can slide in my thing like this,
Right,
and then
right.
pump.
Right.
The one that's not snapping off. Yeah, the
locking fitting. I have that too.
Yeah.
I have that at home, but I have been using the needle adjuster
yeah.
adapter. Oh, you change out every one of them.
I changed every one. They are 8 and 10 millimeter.
Yeah, so it's different sizes, right?
Yeah, they're different sizes. I don't know why. They're the same company of the
I think
cylinder.
they probably bought it elsewhere.
Yeah.
Everything's good.
Our meter doesn't still work, but I know after like a couple of weeks I need to change the oil.
3 hours.
Yeah.
It stops at 3 hours.
3.8. It never goes up. So
this is
still brand new.
Excavator on the real job site, because people often question, like, does this work? I'm like, yeah, free rental. What we have is the different job site that Thomas was working on. It was a house remodel edition. This backyard, they were just doing the trenching. And so they took 2 days to complete all the trenchings. Day one was clearing the backyard and also dug about 15 feet of the trench. The second day is clear out all the trenches. And as you can see, it's very impressive. I was impressed. 2 days for all this digging to be done. You see here is he took out the like thumb portion, and because he was just primarily doing the digging for that time. This is the concrete from the same job that he took out from the house remodel, and I thought that was very impressive to take all those out with that little hammer. It's got a pretty neat trailer, and let's take a look. it's a dump trailer and it's also equipment trailer. It's like tail trailer, but it's also, I don't know what you call it. You know, the bed goes all the way to the floor, and the ramp, basically a building ramp. You can just open up and drive your equipment on. Heavy duty. I think this rated for 14,000 pounds or something. And also it's a dump trailer, so when you close the gate, and it becomes a spreader gate where you can just undo the pin here, and this will open up, and you can use it to dump. So this is a one nifty trailer. Nice.
This is gonna go how it's gonna go up.
This is cool.
And
this is dumping.
It has already the back on it, you know, like this way, yeah.
And lower to the ground.
Then you go. I don't think you need, when you change the wheels, you just put a 2x4 underneath. I think it lifts the wheels up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't think you need a jack to do that.
Right, because you can just put some blocks. Put some blocks underneath the bed, and then the whole trailer will be lifted.
I haven't tried that yet, but
no, I think it will work.
I will work, you know. So.
This is a good trailer.
No, it's a good trailer.
So that's it for this video. Landscape Buddy in a real job situation, and yeah, they get the work done. But if you are expecting a beauty queen, you know, for the equipment, this is not it. Basically, just I don't know how to say it. Useful, functioning tool at an affordable cost, and just give you a lot of productivity. Okay, so yeah, we'll see you next time.